lipstick. This is the two brush I'm going to be using to get my lipstick. This is for blending and this is for sculpturing my lip. This is Karite brown gel line. I'm going to be using it as my lip liner instead of using eye pencil. You can use eye pencil as well. And this is lip balm. This is lipstick from Avour and lip gloss from Adventure. It's a non-sticking lip gloss which is very beautiful. If you want to get your lipstick to stay for long, don't use sticky lip gloss. First, apply your lip balm. After this, the small flat brush, take a small portion of this and calm down and draw your lip. The next thing is to blend. When you're done blending the brown lip, the brown liner, the arch lines, you go in with your any color of your lipstick that you want. I'm using Avour pink. So your lip will depend on how you want it to be. Now, I'm going to be blending these lines to match up with my lip liner. My lip is done. When it dries up, I'll go in with my lip gloss. Now I'm done doing my lip, my lashes, my liner. I'm going to blend out the setting powders on my face. I'll start with here. Small powder, small please. And use a smaller blush. So I'm done with the makeup. Everything is now set. The next thing is just gloss my lips and put my glow. This is the glow I'm going to be using. This is very pigmented and I'm not going to be putting too much of it, just little, so that I don't end up messing up my makeup. I'm using this brush to put more on my nose and here, just little. I don't want too much. Blend out my cheek, just little. Don't put too much. The next thing I'm going to do now is to gloss my lips, and I'm using Advention lip gloss. I'll just go on. Like I said earlier, this is a non-sticking lip gloss. It won't lift my makeup, it won't lift my gloss, my lipstick. It will help my lips to remain the same, glossy and beautiful for the whole day. This is it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to spray my finishing spray so that my makeup will last for the whole day. So the next is, I'm not going to do too much because I'm not going out, so I'm done. So this is a spray I used, Blossom Cosmetics. It's a very nice spray, which you must not use this one. You can buy FBH, you can go for Sopro, Silvermark, Julas. If you can afford a high-end, you can go for Cryoland, you can go for L'Oreal, you can go for One Size. All these sprays are highly recommended and they are beautiful to use.